Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today we're going to explore one of the most rugged and stylish new SUVs coming in 2025, the Jetour T2 Traveller. This Chinese off-roader is turning heads around the world with its bold design, impressive performance, and a surprising mix of luxury and adventure-ready features. So let's dive right in and see what makes the 2025 Jetour T2 Traveller a serious contender in the off-road SUV segment. The first thing you'll notice about the Jetour T2 Traveller is its commanding presence. The boxy silhouette, high ground, clearance and squared-off edges give it a tough and adventurous look. It draws some inspiration from legendary SUVs like the Land Rover Defender and Ford Bronco, but adds its own unique Chinese flair to the design. The bold front grille, rectangular LED headlamps, and large wheels all give it a strong road presence, whether you're cruising through city streets or climbing rocky trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetour T2 comes with two engine options. The base model gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that produces around 250 horsepower and 390 Newton-meters of torque. For those who want even more power, Jetour is also offering a plug-in hybrid version. This hybrid variant combines the petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver stronger performance and better fuel efficiency, while also offering some electric-only driving range for short trips. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring quick and smooth gear shifts. One of the most impressive aspects of the Jetour T2 Traveller is its off-road capability. It features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, multiple terrain modes, a locking differential, and a solid chassis that's ready to handle harsh environments. Whether you're going through mud, sand, snow, or rocks, the T2 is built to keep going. The high approach and departure angles, combined with its 220mm ground clearance, make it more than capable of tackling challenging terrain. Inside, the Jetour T2 surprises with its premium and high-tech interior. The dashboard is modern and stylish, featuring a large dual-screen setup that includes a 15.6-inch infotainment display and a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is loaded with features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced navigation, voice control, and remote vehicle management through a smartphone app. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather and the overall cabin materials feel luxurious for a vehicle in this segment. You also get features like a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, multi-zone climate control, and a premium sound system. Jetour has clearly focused on comfort and convenience, making this SUV not just a rugged off-roader, but also a family-friendly daily driver. In terms of safety, the 2025 Jetour T2 Traveller includes a full suite of modern driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're driving in the city or out in the wild, this SUV has the technology to keep you safe. Another cool feature is its modular design. The Jetour T2 Traveller is expected to offer customization options with roof racks, side steps, off-road, lights, and camping accessories, making it perfect for outdoor lovers and overlanding fans. Jetour is targeting a very competitive price for the T2 Traveller, especially when compared to premium off-road SUVs from Western brands. This could make it a very attractive option in both local and international markets. With its combination of rugged design, strong performance, and modern tech, the 2025 Jetour T2 Traveller is definitely a model to watch out for. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Jetour T2 Traveller, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more upcoming car reviews and updates from around the world.